Let's learn after party. It's choreographed by Maurice Rowe. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate West Coast swing with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn after party. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 blocks forward, step, right, left. We're now going to do a right anchor step, so you're going to bring your right foot in and behind your left. Recover your weight onto your left and then step back with your right, squaring back up to the 12 o'clock wall. We're now going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. Make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. And then we're going to do a left coaster step, stepping left back, right together, left forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now some silence on that anchor. When you bring that right foot behind your left, you want to slightly open your body to the right, and then you're going to recover back onto your left. And when you step back, that's going to square you back up to the wall. So you want to slightly angle your body as you do the step into your anchor step, using that square as your momentum to go into that full turn. Section 2, weights on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step, right, left. We're now going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and cross your right over your left. We're now going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and cross your left over your right. You're going to hold and then do a ball cross, stepping your right foot slightly to the right side, and then cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, hold 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to swivel, keeping our weight on our right foot. You're going to make that half turn over your left shoulder, sitting over that right foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. From here, you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side. And as you step to the right, you're going to bump your hip right, left, right, putting your weight onto your right foot. You're now facing 6 o'clock. We're now going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side. And as you step to the left, you're going to bump your hip left, right, left, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our ball cross. You're going to do your quarter half swivel. So you're stepping forward is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a right sailor step. So you're going to cross your right behind your left, step out with your left, step out with your right. We're now going to do a quarter turning sailor step. So you're going to cross your left behind your right, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the side to face 9 o'clock. And then you're going to step your left foot to the side but slightly forward. From here, we're going to do a forward coaster step. So you're going to step your right foot forward, step your left next to your right, step back with your right. We're now going to do a left coaster step, stepping back with your left, step your right next to your left, and then step your left foot forward, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left with your sailor step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your walk forward. So it's walk, walk, anchor step, half, half, coaster step, walk, walk, side rock, cross, hold ball, cross, quarter, half swivel, left coaster step, quarter hip bump, half hip bump, sailor step, sailor quarter turn, forward coaster step, back coaster step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your walks forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, hold 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. Now the dance does end facing a side wall. I just make a quarter turn when the song is ending so that I end facing 12 o'clock. You don't have to if you don't want to. There is no ending on the step sheet. But if you're somebody that likes to end facing the front, just make that quarter turn over your left shoulder when the song is ending so that you can end facing 12 o'clock. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. It is on your left, starting with your walk and anchor. Walk, walk, anchor, step. Half, half, coaster, step. Walk, walk, side rock, cross, hold ball, cross. Quarter half swivel, coaster, step, quarter hip bump, half hip bump. Sailor step, sailor quarter turn, forward coaster step, back coaster step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, hold 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Walk, walk, anchor step, half, half, coaster step. Walk, walk, side rock, cross, hold ball, cross. Quarter half swivel, coaster step, quarter hip bump, half hip bump. Sailor step, sailor quarter turn, forward coaster step, back coaster step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, hold 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn after party. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
And you don't stop, keep